Kuya Kasmot? Nandiyan ka ba? Hello? Sa DC ba ako? Hello, hello?
Hindi. Hindi, ano,
Ah, hindi lang siya nagsasalita.
Match found.
Hindi, dinideny niya lang existence natin.
pang... Napalanan mo to, Bet.
Sorry, sorry. Split. Gusto ba?
Ano, gusto mo ba mag-clove ulit? Pwede naman ako mag-sage.
Kung nga,
Ano, dodong darong.
kasi yung clove ko, what is doing the right thing.
Oh, magka-clove ka.
Hindi, ako naman ang magsisave.
Oh, sige. Palit
After
naman tayo.
all the time in the world.
Dalawang leader mo, do this. Immortal pa yan. Baka sabihin mo, Bel, nag-ano eh. Pero ako kita na imo.
Wala akong sinabi.
Ayun,
Sino?
yours. Yung chat.
Oh,
Yung nyet natin. Wow. 1 win, 0 lose.
nice one.
Successfully ko palang na private yung ano ko. Yung result ay yung akin. The tracker. Yeah.
Yung ano, Lenet tsaka Yoshin.
I wonder what torture their omen is going through. Is it like ours? Poor soul.
Oo, ito yung ano oh.
Nagkano nga yung wall?
Alin?
Yung wall.
Alin?
Wala ba naman?
Ay,
Wala mga
pala.
kapatid. Tayo ka dito, Mams. Mams.
Oy.
Dito ka. Tayo ka dito sa side na to. Dun sa, ito sa may trash can.
Here.
Dito. Tayo ka
Oh.
dyan. Tapos, ibubus kita, no?
Oo.
Talong ka doon sa taas.
Dito sila.
Drop in a smoke.
Yan.
Here.
Nag-smoke na sila sa alley, but I will...
Meron ka nakita?
Ay! 78?
Sino yun?
Sa misa.
Cypher. Gogo, naglinya
Spike
sila
down
doon.
mid. Last player
Wala.
standing.
Nakaikot na sila, Bel. Meron na sa likod mo parehas.
Drop in a smoke.
Sayang.
Ayun lang.
Sayang yan. Oh, gago, naging crow.
Oh.
May the wind
Daw.
guide your blades, Jet. And my arrows.
Doon ka ulit mag-wall.
Um,
Score ka, sige. Dito naman ako. Kailangan ko makita kung nasaan yung...
Wall raised.
Salamat. Patay kayo sa hyper.
No peeking. Reloading.
Saan ang college?
uy, yun po yun.
Makapasok?
Makapasok.
Spike Spike down B.
Ayun, nasa taas ah.
Last player
Mali,
standing.
nakalabas ako.
Revealing area.
Diyan lang, diyan lang.
There they are.
Spike planted.
Shot down.
Uy, uy, uy.
Ay, yun lang. Putang ina. Eh, alam ko mapipilayan ako dun, pero kala ko mapapatay ko siya.
Just let them try to catch me.
Merong nagmi-mid, pero nagsuslow, ano siya. Nagra-rat game siya. Careful dito. Nagra-rat si, ano, si Phoenix.
Nakapag, ano naman sa kanya yung Sky?
Wag ka na muna kayo mag-wall, kuya. Para makapasok sila. Para hindi sayang yung wall. Pang post plant na lang.
Drop in a smoke.
Sige, sige.
Sinisira nila eh. Wala na naman dito. Talagang ipipilit nila yung...
Joke's over! You're dead!
Spotted B.
Take flight.
Wall raised. Opponent enemy spotted B. Blocking sight. Reload.
Ay, shit!
Blocking sight.
Isip ako.
Eyes down.
Last player standing.
Scanning ahead.
One
There they
enemy
are.
remaining.
Nakuha ba yung spike?
Oo.
Parang nakuha.
Baka nagdaga ah.
No aim ko na eh.
Pwede ko siya mag-mid eh.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
Bilis naman ba?
Bilis yun.
Naka-knife out yun. Andyan, Ben. Andyan, Ben.
Sarap, no?
Ah, ah.
Nice one.
Oh, pay,
Buti narinig mo
muna.
ate.
Nagpaypay na. Naging Maria Clara bigla eh.
Ah, pay ulit to. Pay ulit.
Ay, gago mali. Paano ulit lalabas yun? Gago.
1-1-1 na.
Out of charges.
1-1-1-1-1. Ay, gago. Ay!
We start our wedding
Sorry, nagpanik. Bye, ba nagpanik?
3 pala, 3-3.
Ayun, 3-3. One ako ng 1 kanina, so lumalabas yung pistol ka.
Bye, ba? Akala ko 1.
Sige, papay-pay ulit ako.
I love this part.
Yakas mo at, nandiyan ka ba?
Drop in a
Hanap
smoke.
ka.
Asan sila?
Let's see kung nandiyan sa iyo.
Dito.
Ay, nakapasok na.
Ay, kago! Dalawa.
Last player standing. Spike planted.
Ay, gago! Ay! Ha? Katawan ko lang siya natamaan.
Let them try to get through me.
Next
Hindi ako
week din siguro talaga
makapag-full
nila
buy.
mag-wall.
Kasi sinisira kagad nila yung wall.
Kanina nag-rat-rat sila eh. Hindi ko nga nababa yung wall ko eh. So I guess
Sayang.
dito na lang ako pupwesto.
Ano ba to, Sky?
No peeking.
Dito sila?
Hindi rin ako makapagdaga eh. May cyber gas. Lang, mali
Uy,
ako nung...
nakita ako. Nice one.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Naka-Odin.
Blocking sight.
Meron sa
Deploying
heaven.
drone.
Susmoke na lang ako.
Drop in a smoke. Enemy kill.
One enemy remaining. Spike planted.
Tang ina mo, mag-Odin ka pa. ah.
Na-distract kay Jet. Nice.
Wait, it's over.
Ah, kaya mo tayo din.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Yo, what's up?
Ano yan? Ayun.
There's
My
an end
ult
to
is
fight.
ready.
Who are we to disobey?
Pabili ako, Bel. Okay lang.
Could have a drop.
Yes. For you, I will always buy.
Hindi ko alam kung
Ay,
masusuka
gago na
ako. o Ano eh. Ano to? Mobis to?
No peeking.
Dito? Dito pa din?
Drop in a smoke.
Kumatras.
Nice one.
Dito sa ano? Mid?
Andun sa mid.
Hawk out. You will not kill my allies. Hawk out. No peeking.
Nasa
Ako pa.
kabila na ata.
Nandito na. Uy, gagi ka.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Like I never left.
Last player
Sayang yun,
standing.
nakalikod na ako.
Ay! Ayun lang.
May ult pala yung Omen, hindi ko nakita, sorry.
Ganda
Even
ng
with
ayon na
numbers,
yun.
anything can
Ganda
still
sa
happen.
tenga.
Remember that.
Eh, di ba yun yung meron ka din?
Sa Panto. Pero sa Vandal.
Vandal ba yun?
Vandal siya. Is yung second version ng Ion.
Kaya pala ganun itsura, parang nag-glitch.
Sa first batch, hindi nababago yung kulay eh. Plain white lang siya.
Wala ba ibang kulay yun?
Ready.
Pag sa first batch wala. Yung second lang yung meron. Kaya may green na
No
Ion.
peeking.
Dito?
Drop in a smoke.
Saan yun?
Parang may magbimid yata.
Dito meron.
Binasag nila yung...
Joke's over. You're dead.
Ay, gago.
Last player standing.
Na-deadables ako.
Hindi mo na ako magre-res.
Meron
Meron
dyan sa
dyan,
likod
kuya?
mo, pre.
Long.
Grabe naman yun.
Pulo ka agad. Kakapulot ng baril. Oh.
Woo! We got this.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, pwede. Running ka.
Ito na lang wall ko siguro, no? Mid na lang.
Yung mid na lang.
Tapos susmokan ko na lang tong ano.
Pakpak.
Confident sila pumasok eh.
Wala tayong pan-delay sa kanila. Tulad nung kay
No
Killjoy
peeking.
or kay ano.
Barrier created.
Dito ulit sa B.
No peeking.
Ay! Shit! Putang ina. Nasa baba.
Ay, shit! Nandito sa kanto.
Spike planted.
They're down.
Nasa site na yung dalawa. Pwede ka mag-revive ko
Your
yan.
duty is not over.
Wait, this feels different.
Not ready yet.
Wala pa ako fans mo. Wait lang.
Ayun lang.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Pare.
Sayang. Empty.
This
place is nice, but not nice enough to
Hirap
die
na
in.
encounter dun
Let's
sa
run and get out of here.
Rush ako. Kaya mo pa kuya pagka wall mo, baton mo kagad ng ng orb.
Sige, sige, sige.
Nirarush ako ng Phoenix eh.
Hindi, may ult siya kasi kanina.
Actually, kahit wala siyang
Kahit wala siyang ult, nakaka-rush siya eh.
Deep breath.
Dito kaya ako.
Drop in a
Going drone.
smoke.
Dito na naman yung mga low.
I am the hunter!
Drop in a smoke.
Baka nag-heal
Seek
na.
them out. Found one.
Andun pa. Uy! Akala ko si
Kinag-rush dun.
130, 130. Akala ko para siya. So yun lang.
I know exactly where you are.
Shot that.
Omen ata yun naka-off.
Ingat sa mid.
Caution here.
30 seconds left.
Revealing area.
Ay, gago! Tinamaan ko yung 26. Mag-A yun.
Okay. Daga din yung nila, yung dalawa eh.
10 seconds left. Last player standing.
A.
Spike planted.
Nandun yung isa.
Meron dyan, Cypher. Ay, na-vandal bell.
Baka marinig ako.
Bagay. Oh, nasa kanan mo yung camera.
Ulat na lang ako.
Oh, wag na siguro.
Regard.
Andyan may bell sa kanan.
Sa kanan.
No peeking.
Ayun.
No peeking.
We move as a unit, okay? Last thing I need is some hero messing things up.
Some hero.
May ginagawa siguro tong Sky.
Kaya hindi makapag-focus.
Oo.
Kung alam ginagawa niya.
Feeling ko nagko-calls yan. Feeling ko talaga nagko-calls yan.
Dito ulit sa B, my dudes. May nakapasok na? Ay, aray ko! Putang ina mo. Bilis talaga pumasok ng Phoenix. Dire-diretso.
Spike planted.
Totoo ba?
Scout destroyed.
Baril si Idol. Nandiyan pa rin natin.
Tang ina, nabulag ako.
Oh, yan. Ba't ganyan mag-blind yung Sky?
Last player
Ay!
standing.
Parang ate, parang lag tong natin. Sky na.
Huli ako.
Iron to
Lag ba?
iron si ano.
Parang naglalag siya. Yung
Ay, oo.
Don't give
Tumataas
them
yung
time to
ping niya.
reposition.
pinanood ko siya saglit, nag-glitch yung niya, crosshair niya.
Iron kung iron.
Ang alin.
Ano bang niya? Ano bang rank niyan? Ni Kai?
Iron. Iron yan. Ayan, tingnan ko. Iron.
Ah.
over!
Ito na
You're
naman.
dead!
Ayun
No
na.
peeking.
Rarush ako dito.
Uy!
Gago, andyan na, Bel.
Healer down.
Patama eh.
Spike planted.
There they are.
Baya.
Drop in a smoke.
Hawk out.
Last player
Ang
standing.
ina mo, nasa taas.
Ano nila lagi? Covered nila lagi yung mid.
Last
Ano
round
sila?
Ano ba?
before the switch.
Nagwo-wall ba
We
pataas yung
cannot
safe
keep
sila?
our goods active.
Ganito sila, oh.
Then
Ah,
all.
dito sila entry, tsaka sa mid. Oo.
Di,
Dito.
hindi
Saka
natin
dito.
kaya kasi ano, lahat ng kakampin ng lahat ng kalaban natin gumagalo ng maayos eh. Tapos may isa tayong may handicap. Tangin ng 112.
Grabe.
Stay safe.
Ay, last round na pala to. Hindi naman din sila
Drop in a smoke.
ano, B ulit sila.
Oo, dun sa mid. Dito. Putang ina, 130 lang yun?
Enemy
Uy, hindi talaga ako tumatama.
scanning ahead.
Hindi, naka-off yun, pre.
Found them.
Hindi, inaano ko na.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Ano ba yun?
Oo,
Grabe.
Eyes
Kaya
down.
talaga tayo. Over. Siyempre.
No peeking. No peeking.
Ano, naka-ano? Ayun, oo, dun. Nag-trip eh. Ah, gago.
Switching
Ah,
sides.
ano tayo? Now let me try.
A bow and arrow is
Let me try
old-fashioned.
this one. Ay.
Sometimes
tayo?
old ways are best.
Ah, A. Ay.
Ay! Nasaan yung
Dodong
spike?
darong. Do you want to pull?
Ay.
Wala. Boring ang mga kampi natin. Gusto ko yung medyo ano. Tulad nung kanina.
Kulit eh.
Nag-iingay sila kanina kaya ako nag-initiate eh. Dito wala.
I'll find them.
Todong taro. Ay. Nanigas.
Scanning ahead.
Enemy
Drop
spotted
in
A.
smokes.
Have one of these.
No more.
That's a kill.
Our spike carrier.
Ay, gagi, meron pa pala ron.
Spike down A.
Shock dart. Shock dart.
Hi.
Lagi
I
ko.
got a spike.
Araw-araw, pasto. Land sky.
Not ready yet.
One enemy remaining.
Not ready yet.
Parang naglalag nga siya.
Naglalag na.
Oo.
My quiver is never full.
My.
Hindi ko masabing fake plant yung ginagawa niya kasi.
Bumibitaw eh, no?
Oo.
Saan tayo? Saan yung gusto? Okay, ang immortal natin
Reloading.
gusto man.
Sino yung jet?
Yep.
I'm here to stay.
Naalala ko na naman yung bumo ni Kuya Jones. Halatang ipit yung boses. Ay, nandito si ano?
Cypher ano.
Ay, gago. Ano? Tang ina. Luminya pala sa akin yung ano?
Reloading.
Yung Skype. Dito mo
Last
mga
player
din ata sa
standing.
likod niya.
Spike down.
Puta.
Eh,
Pakaram. Makasap ano eh.
Listen up, you muckers. If I don't get back up, just give me a
Tayo
nudge.
ulit
I might not be dead, just take a wee kip.
Right here.
Layo minit. Kumusta ito guys? Kasama. Mga puto.
Anong map ulit to?
Ready.
Ah, siguro Hong Kong to.
Hong Kong ata.
Drop in a smoke.
Or Singapore.
Singapore ako.
Hindi, I mean, yung map.
No peeking.
Take flight.
Ah,
Reloading.
Ay,
may gano'n.
bakit may smoke doon? Ah. Okay, okay.
Healing over
Ay, hindi
here.
tayo makapasok agad ah.
Revealing area. Found them.
Enemy spotted me.
May wall ba itong May wall ka kuya?
Spike down B.
Gabelo dapat ako ng wall eh.
I have the spike.
Kuha ko yung spike.
Ikot na, ikot na.
Meron?
Last player standing.
Lang.
Spike
Bye-bye.
down B.
103 yan.
30 seconds left.
Ay, nag-hit!
Empty.
Gulat ako.
Bilis silang pumasok.
Match point.
Lakas din nila
You know,
mag-defend.
I could just outlive them.
Nah, bullets are quicker.
Good.
Ba't naman nun?
Nag-A tayo.
Tara.
Let's go.
Keep up. I have dropping smokes.
May camera?
May camera doon sa taas. Sira.
Shit. Meron, naka-phantom.
Headshot.
Shock dart.
Carrier is not loaded.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
No more secrets.
Sayang.
Lang.
Defenders win.
Sasaktanan niya pa ako ah.
Ewan ko sa'yo, Star. Ano, isa ka pa, Jomar?
Ah,
Kaya mo pa o ano ka na muna? Pahinga muna si Dodong.
Huwag mo pilitin, pre. Okay lang.
Yes.
No pressure. Kami, nakaano kami. Tangina, nakaasukal kami nito ni Bel.
Nakasukal kami.
kayo lang ba?
Nakaasukal kami nito.
Hindi ka ba nakasyabu kuya?
Gago.
Joke lang.
Jomar,
Pumirit lang ako kasi nga maitim kang lalaki. Di ba mga black guys lagi nagsusukan, nagsasyabu.
Yung dinagdagan pa, no?
Ay,
Okay.
pre. Kinombo
Okay.
ka.
Okay na yung ano eh, okay na yung bintak. Magawa ako na. Illegal.
Grabe.
Tapos biglang dinali yung kulay ng balat ko ng gano'n.
Tangina, kinombo ka ni Bel, pre.
Oo. Tapos tunog inosente pa siya eh. Yun yung
Na
masakit.
1-2 punch ka, pre.
Mhm.
Kuya, di ba may sinasabi nga ako palagi? Alam mo kung ano yung sinasabi ko palagi?
60k or edit sa noo. Ganun lang naman yung sinasabi niya.
Mabait naman ako kuya, ngayon lang ako gumawa ng masama.
Yeah.
Ako pa ba ko contest? Nagawa mo na. Nasabi mo na yung mga bagay-bagay. Asa na yung
Nang alam ko, yung mga black guys, usually may mga kakontsa pa silang maliliit na lalaki. That's where Kuya Kasmot comes in.
Wow, kahit mas maliit pa sa akin.
Hindi na ako yan, pre.
I'm a
Match
nice
found.
person. Sorry, hi na ako lang.
Okay lang yan. Sige, may utang ako sa'yo eh.
Tangay na, ano. Pre-hit, kasmot. Di ko na ako
Oo,
nagsasabi.
kaya...
Nadamay pa nga.
Ayun, penalty kick yan.
Oo,
Okay lang yan.
naka-pre-hit
Ano to?
eh.
Abe.
Pre-hit malala, eh, no.
I am both shield and sword.
Tangina. Grabe yan.
Oo.
Nakatungtong sa Horkay.
Boss.
Si Kasut na nanahimik na damay.
Ngayon lang naman.
Wala si Sharon Cuneta dito pero nasa-hit kami ni Jomar. Gaguhin mo.
Pre-hit ka sa trash talk ngayon, ah.
Wala ba mas magandang sword tsaka shield?
Pokemon ba yan, pre?
Hindi, yung... Bigyan daw ako din Discord ng libreng Nitro eh pagka nilaro ko tong game for 15 minutes eh. Medyo nag-enjoy ako.
Anong ganyan?
Towerborn.
Oo.
Na-cancel ba to?
Yes, na that's.
Match found.
Wala na akong flask.
Yun din.
I've got all the time in the world.
My back. Sige, huwag ka pumili. Player po. Tingnan mo, Bel. Tingnan mo, Bel. Yung sasend ko.
Let me say. Easy pa kayo dyan.
So, Chloe,
Out na ako mga
how exactly did you know, become
Daming sinabi, gag.
Well, it all
Easy pa kayo dyan.
started when I was
Panalo
born.
nga kayo,
And
pero
then,
talo kayo sa buhay.
you know what?
Habang kami may
I'll just tell you
ambisyon.
later.
Kayo nabubulok sa kwarto. Makonsensyo naman kayo sa pamilya nyo. Galit na sa inyo kasi wala nang ambag. Puro sikaw pa sa laro. Nakaisa lang yabang agad. Ganyan lang makababa pangarap nyo. Panalo sa laro pero talo sa diploma. Respeto at realidad. Lakas mo trash talk sa keyboard. Ito naman sa totoong mundo. Sige, celebrate nyo yan. Total, yan lang pick na buhay nyo.
Nabigyan niya ng feelings, no? Sarap. Sarap
Ang
po,
chat-chat ko lang dyan, your mom. Ang dami sinabi. Sasagot ko lang dyan, your
No
mom.
peeking.
Sarap po kakampi pag nakakape.
Ay, dito lang.
Fuck ikaw.
spike planted?
Uy, grabe. Head level yung Reyna.
I'll find you.
Say habal.
Rain is down.
They're hard main. Hey main.
Careful now.
Be careful.
Someone's A.
You enjoy Phoenix. There's one in the left, one in the right.
Bring them down.
There's those in the right.
Enemy remaining.
There's another one in the right. The right.
Someone's A.
There's one in the right. Come on. You jump?
Tangina. Si Jomar pagod na eh. Naririnig ko sa basa si Jomar. Hindi ka na kaya. Si Jomar, kumbaga sa cellphone, si Jomar 25%. 20% na lang.
Sorry. Alam mo ba, paubos pa lang yung ano ko. Kasi bumili ako 20 size.
Drop in a
Paubos pa lang siya. Kaya
Kami
siguro
ni Bel nasa
continuous yung
75 pre, going strong.
Malapit na ako mag-crash out, kuya. Siguro mga around 4 AM magka-crash out na ako.
No peeking.
Medyo malakas pa ako ngayon. Ay, di pala ako sure.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Sorry na.
Nice one.
Wait. Nice one. You didn't leave some for me. Why didn't you leave some for me?
You're just too slow.
I just wanted to
babe.
kill. Come on, I just wanted to kill.
I'm sorry, babe. Put on your Nike shoes and come faster.
Oy!
Where
It's
is
okay. It's okay.
Where
Gago, may accent yung ano.
We just had too much sugar and caffeine. I am so sorry.
It's okay.
see. Nice.
Uy, ang ganda ng boses nila.
Huwag ka gaganon, Bella.
Okay. Sige. Kuntik, gagawin ko sana eh. Pero sige, kalma lang tayo, girl. Kalma lang tayo, Bel. Nade-drain na si Kuya Jones.
Sakit ko sa ulo po.
No peeking.
I can hear footsteps in it. Hey,
Smoke.
help.
Drop in a smoke.
Planting.
Planting na planting.
Spike planted.
Wala na pala akong ano.
Nasa taas yung Sage.
Hindi, wala.
Catch.
Uy, gagi ka. Try niya.
Ay, shit. Naharang ko.
Last player standing.
Nice.
Nice,
Nice.
Run, Faith! Empty.
Reckon we're just better, aye?
Akin yun, wala akong ano. Wala
Kasalanan
na
ko
akong
yan.
energy.
Sorry.
Wala akong mahuli kanina. Wala na swarm ako ka.
I have a question, guys. Hear me out.
No. Okay, ask your question.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait.
Disclaimer, please don't be offended. We just had too much sugar.
It's okay. Go on, ask your question.
Don't worry.
Smoke you, please.
Drop in a smoke.
Smoke
Be careful. I'll ask the question after this.
And what is happening to your voice? It was just okay. Take a go.
Tinatanong niya kung ito nangyari sa boses ko.
Pew pew. No peeking.
Wala dito ah.
Agwal.
Right there.
Yeah, I guessed it. Walls over east.
Reloading.
Ay! Oh my god! They rush! Careful!
Uy, sayang. Tayo na lang
Naka-ult
dalawa.
yung ano?
Spike planted.
On the wall. Because you.
May hard right natin. May isa pa dyan.
Oh shit, no.
One enemy remaining.
Nice one.
Reyna on the side. Last scene.
Drop in
Or
a
she.
Be careful. They might be in the smoke of ano? Of the globe. Check up.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
Reyna is on up.
Ay, puta, sorry.
NT. Okay. Here's my question, guys. Let's start with you, Phoenix. For example, what will you choose?
Example.
What will you choose? You only have two choices. You need to choose one. Would you like $1 million but both of your hands are made of dicks, or $1 million, but both of your feet are made of dicks. What will you choose?
Hirap
The
mag-
silence.
Never ask me this question ever again.
Nababato ko yung mo.
Many?
Dapat nire-reserve ko.
Gag.
Yes, bro.
Smoke daw, ma'am. Pa-smoke.
Drop in a smoke.
I can hear footsteps in. Hey.
Spike planted.
Going up.
Uy.
One enemy remaining.
On top, she's on top of the thing.
Player standing.
Ay, puta.
Nice try.
Sayang.
Mama.
My ult weapon is only a tool. You can't just shoot.
Ay,
You have to
hindi
think.
ko napipilitin, feeling ko.
Don't ever
Baka lalo
ask that
mag-guilty.
question to me ever again. Mga babae talaga nakakatakot eh, no? Miski ako tatakot sa babae. Pag lalaki,
Why is making you ask people these questions? Did the people in your previous team also answer?
Yes.
Yes, actually the answer.
What did they say? Can I know? Like, what did they answer? I'm so
Ano nga ba?
curious.
Ano nga ba
They
sinabi?
said, either. Because it's $1 million.
Oh my god, I can't
know what?
believe people are so...
You know what? Fair.
Like how
No.
you never left.
Tulog ka ako, Jen.
They are no aiming.
Hey.
I see.
Drop in a smoke. Initiated.
Nice one.
One enemy remaining.
Nice one. Nice one.
So much further.
And by the way, the one who answered are boys, so yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what? Fair. For $1 million in this economy, who can?
Right? I said yes too, actually.
Turret out.
Siguro Indian yan. Ayokong tanongin, huwag mo na tanongin mo.
Ano?
Baka...
Singaporean.
Akala ko
okay.
nga Nigerian eh.
Oh, actually, no.
Drop in a smoke.
Singaporean.
Where are you?
Uy, uy.
I didn't hear anything on A. They're all B.
Enemy spotted.
We're rushing. Be careful. Killjoy, be careful. Dong 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 dong.
Spike planted.
One more push.
Refreshing.
Give me gun.
Reloading.
Give me gun. I
Oh,
am no gun.
139 dead.
Last player standing.
Oh my god.
Tumama doon? Ako katawan tsaka paa. Okay.
Nakagulat din ako dun sa project pagpasok. Nasa ano? Sinilip ko pa dito eh sa B-side na to eh.
Ay,
Tapos
teka,
nasa
dito
smoke
muna
pala
ako sa A.
Tsaka muna sa A. Dito ka na muna sa natin.
Magmamarshal muna ako.
Hindi ko gusto naman ako. Hindi ito mo gusto.
Placing sentry.
Nag-wall sila lagi dito eh, no?
No peeking.
Dalawang last na sip-sip. Before maubos yung ano ko.
Multiple
Ah,
enemy.
nag-B. They're on a B. I run. Be careful. Be careful. Do do dong do dong do dong do dong dong. TNT.
Come on, let's go.
Uy, pumunta kayo na. Pumunta lang A
Spike
yun.
planted.
Healers down.
Ay, kagi! Nasa likod!
Someone's being
Pero sa likod.
You're out.
Naka-marshal lang yun.
One enemy remaining.
Triple, baby.
Hindi abot yung smoke ko. Nice one. Nice one.
So,
Ah,
Tong
ayan,
tong
oh.
tong 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 sahur. I had a lot of cappuccino assassino.
I see. Sounds secure.
German efficiency. Just keep laughing as you use all my gear.
I had too much.
Si Jomar yung tatay nating nagpe-face palm na lang.
Like, literal, nalabi-face palm ako. Kasi hindi ko alam paano ko magre-react.
Gagi, I think masyado ako na hyper ngayon, nanginginig yung buong katawan ko. Kaya nilalabas ko talaga.
Kalado mo pala yan.
Alam mo kung anong tawag dyan?
I can hear footsteps here, Benny.
Yun na nga, oh. Sarap mo na, oh. Tuluyan mo.
You will not kill my Allah.
Spike down A.
There's already 3. One on the main. Be careful.
Wow, okay. Dalawa yun.
They dropped the spike.
Goodbye.
Nice one. There's another one on the main.
Where are you?
Two of them are in the main.
Wait, Tambel.
Killjoy, my gun is somewhere inside.
May ano daw dyan sa side ko.
Last
Nasa last
player standing.
Careful. Oh, ayun lang.
20.
Andy.
I'll outshine all their radiance.
Wala na akong baril.
Okay, dito ako mag-BP ako. Ayan, B.
Hindi mo na ako bibili, pero magpo-full shield ako. Trip nila dito eh, no?
Madalas, nagso-slow sila dito. Saan yung tubig ko? Hindi, ubusin ko na.
Let's go.
Drop in a smoke.
Dito?
Have one of these. No peeking.
I'm on the way. Be careful. Be careful there. Sewage dagger. We dive him na. Oh, no!
Wala, hanggang sila lahat.
Someone's there.
Sorry,
74 on Jet.
Spike planted. Last
Nahihirapan
player
siya
standing.
pumutok. Nasa site yung dalawa.
Nice na.
Andy? Na ano ako?
I can hold an
wala
area
akong
pretty well
pampalag sa
myself.
kanya.
Make sure to cover the angles I can't.
Hindi. Suspector.
Sayang. Hindi maganda yung pagkakaano ko dun sa
Sino magamit mo, Joms?
yung Killjoy.
Ayaw nila dyan sa'yo.
Inaayawan nila
Drop
eh.
in a
Mamaya.
smoke.
Sounds.
I'll find you. Drop in
Mama
a
ko dito,
smoke.
Ben.
Ay. Sige,
Have
sige.
one of these. Multiple enemies A. Reloading.
Parang
Baka marinig na yung footsteps mo dyan. Pinasok na ba nila? Hindi pa pinapasok.
Di pa.
Scouts down.
Someone's A.
Not ready yet.
Enemy spotted. A.
Enemy down.
Uy, dali ako. Yan. Diba?
Asa?
No
Nadali pa.
peeking.
Yun lang.
Bring them down. I'll find you.
One enemy remaining.
Sa loob ng smoke. Smoke. Inside smoke.
Gusto ko malaksak eh.
Last round in the half.
Yun, nakapang-full binded.
I was gonna give you a chance, but you took the wrong.
I'm sorry. It's
It's okay.
It's okay.
Sabi
You haven't
Ayaw,
answered my
nakatake.
question yet, though.
if it's 10 million, then maybe I will consider 1 million.
10 million.
I like what I heard.
Look, if I'm gonna suffer with something, it better be for damn, like, I would be set for life, man.
Sabagay, $1 million tapos sa Singapore.
Drop in a smoke.
I think enough naman yun.
I think one
Lugi pa
is
yun.
me.
Lugi pa ba yan?
Have a cat.
Operasyon pa lang yung $1 million. Wala, may kulang pa rin.
Dalawa na
Spike
siya.
planted.
Okay.
Sige, tuluyan nyo na.
I'm on the way. I'm on the way.
Bakit pagka inoperahan ka, may tumapa kang transgender, pwede mo i-offer sa kanila yun. Okay.
Enemy spotted A. Going up.
Using. Up and away. Dizzy's down.
Uy!
1 enemy remaining.
80.
130 to ko yung sofa.
Switching sides.
Nice to nice.
Everyone note down your observations, then let's run it again.
Maybe pwede tayo mag-B.
Wala, disconnected yung...
No! Excuse me.
Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the internet.
Yeah, it's fine. Saan ako magsasmoke, Pel?
It's cool.
Dito sa
You can
tower.
say.
Pati dito.
Nice.
I don't wanna call it love. You don't wanna call it love.
You don't wanna call it love?
I don't wanna be with someone who love me, baby.
Dropping smokes.
Nasakyan niya ako. I love it. I love it.
Wingman's gonna plant spike.
Careful now.
Spike planted.
Nasarap mo, ma'am.
Nice one.
I think one is right.
Hi.
Nice one, ma'am.
Yung nasa taas na?
Enemy spotted B.
Ay! Head level.
1 enemy remaining.
Wala pa rin siya. Head level yan, Ben.
Person.
I'll just pretend that this game didn't happen.
No. Or you're gonna inflict psychic damage and then pretend no, motherfucker. Own up to it. This ain't a PS2 game. You can just delete game. How dare you?
Well stuff by.
Gusto ko tong ano na
Fade
to.
gave up.
Pagod na.
Dropping smokes.
Wingman's planting.
Ang ina mo. Tutungtong ka ba nun, ha?
Spike's taking stakes, little man.
Hindi ko alam kung nasaan, pero sige. Pwede na yan. Ayun, no, nakatungtong sa wall, oh. Oh, namatay. Nahulog.
Nalaglag.
Someone's A.
1 enemy remaining.
Nandito sa taas, ha?
Okay na, pinatay ko.
Grabe, natsambang ko dun yung ano. Sino yung nabaril ko dun?
Make their fear your weapon.
Na-headshot ko yung jet
Use a
dun.
gun. Whichever.
Malas naman
Sarap.
nun. Mamaya, Jomar,
Right
clip ko
here.
yun, na-record ko yun. Malas naman nun, tangin na nun. Nakakita ako ng pulang.
Fade. Welcome back, Fade. May I know what your favorite song is? Don't be scared. Don't be afraid, child.
Drop in a smoke. Where are you?
Can you give me a song?
Hindi niya na inulit to.
Plant the spike, wing.
Someone's A. Placing sentry.
Reloading. Spike Spike planted. Thanks, Wings.
Uy!
Dizzy's up.
Sa taas, jet. Taas yan, jet. Uy! Sa taas pa yung jet. Dito. Sa tower.
Last player standing.
17. Nandyan natin ah. Not sure.
No peeking.
Ay! Nakaabang na.
Nice try.
Nakabang na. Auntie. How about you, Phoenix? Can you give me a favorite song? One favorite song. Come on, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Let's reset.
I need a hero!
And all that.
I need a hero to the morning night!
Is that from Shrek?
Hell
Ayan,
yeah.
ayan, Bel, i-match mo yan. Tayo mo ah.
Okay. How do we start with this, huh? I need a hero. I'm holding out for a hero. Land of the night.
Come on, little homies.
He's gotta be strong and he's gotta be fast and he's gotta be fresh from the fight. I need a hero.
I'll find you.
Wingman's gonna plant Spike.
I'm dying here, guys. Come on. This ain't nothing like forever.
Take me to your heart pa nga. Michael learns to rock.
I'm here to perform.
There's one, there's two in there.
Uy!
I can't see shit.
39 on the back. Ano na sila? Kaya niya yan, hold pa. Ah, nag.
Ay, nasa gilid.
Nice one.
That's done. My
One
ultimate.
enemy.
I wanna be a hero. You better run. Never mind. You did it well.
I'm so sorry.
Outside of this gig, immortality doesn't have as many day-to-day benefits as you think.
Oh wait, I have a song for you, Fade and Phoenix.
Okay, let's hear it.
If I were a boy, even just for a day.
Got a talent. You got a hidden talent.
They are mine.
Hello?
Get out of my way.
Oh.
Side.
May malapit dito. There's someone near.
Uy, tago nyo ako. Magbubuksan ko lang ng pinto tatay ko.
Sige.
Sige lang.
Drop in a smoke.
Punta ako sa loob ng smoke.
Meron pa dyan natin. Hindi. Cigar from on the top.
Reload him.
You will not kill my allies.
Dami doon.
Uy! Gagi ka naman.
The hunt begins.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Oh, the one is on the. It's 116 jet.
Watch your eyes.
Nice one.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
If I were a boy, even just for a day. What's the next lyrics? I refuse to love a girl someday. To wet the bed. I don't know. Let's go B. I can't hear you guys. Oh no.
It's a good thing. I swear.
Dropping smokes.
Ninyot na ata ako kaya walang narinig.
Careful now.
Placing swarm grenade.
Kasi siguro nung makakakamarunong. Minsan nang alam magkaroon ng babae sa team.
Where are you?
Abnoy pa.
Spike stick. Thanks, little man.
Placing swarm grenade.
Bro, my knee hurts. I'm a very nice person, guys.
Kaya ano, gusto ko lang naman tigasan kasi yung pamako ko yung tumigas.
Di pre, mga babae nga to eh.
One enemy remaining.
Oh.
Someone's B.
She's at the ice.
Now this.
Did I do well? Did you like it, Phoenix?
Match point.
Yeah.
Come on, friends. We're so close. It's basically over.
Near, far, wherever you are.
Jack! Rose!
I got money. Need something?
Draw me like her one of draw me like one of your French girls.
Dropping smoke. Enemy A.
Come on, let's go!
Somebody's there. Enemy A.
Oh shit.
Hold it.
I'll find you.
Upping Rina.
Nandito sa right side. Meron pa dyan sa left.
One enemy remaining.
Uy, tumama.
Nandito.
Not ready.
Hindi naman ako nakatutok doon, pero tumama. Dali.
Not ready yet.
Walang
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Potain na. Sarap naman ng game na to. Parang lasing na lasing ako sa sugar, ah.
Hindi ka lasing, Bel. Sugar high yan.
Baka nga. Nag-ano pa ako. Mga ilang ano pang minuto pa.
Suko ka na, Chomar. Okay lang naman.
Teka lang.
Water. Yeah.
Kaya na sumasabay si Chomar.
Salamat kayo.
Wait lang.
Grabe na, hyper ako. Ayaw sumarado ng bibig ko. Dami ko sinasabi, hindi ko na maintindihan.
Ayos. Okay, ganun pala na ano yung balita. Injured si Liv Morgan.
Wow!
Narinig voice. Ano, isa pa kayo?
Yes.
Yeah, go lang. Kung kaya pa ng energy nyo. Ano na ako, nagsiset in na ng konti yung aking.
Oo, akin dun eh. Nag-ano na ako. Nagdi-dip na.
Konting pagod pa.
Bottom sa Missouri talaga. O Haven naman.
Ayaw na nila tayo kalaro, pre.
Naku po.
Match found.
Asin?
Okay, ay. Name stone.
Ano sa'yo, Doms?
Hindi ko mag-load dito, ma'am.
Sige, mag-load ka. Saan ba yung sagi? Na,
I am
ayan.
both
Tagal
shield
mag-pick
and
eh.
sword.
Mga pilit map ako nakakapag-load. Outrank na naman. Sana bobo ka. Mortal.
Sino?
Sky.
It's fun being a secret agent and all, but I really hope that there's an alternate universe out there where I'm just growing old with a bunch of cats.
Same. Ganyan ka lang, pre, ah. Ang cute ni Clove. Oo. Saan tayo? Tara, pre.
Ah, never mind.
Dropping
Smoke's down.
Okay.
Bel, ikaw mag-plant.
Spike.
Yes.
Reloading.
Wait lang ha. Nagano lang ako.
Spike planet.
Target down.
Launching smoke.
Revealing area. Ay, nawala ng bala. Pahil ako.
A.
Healing.
Ay, shit! 100.
One enemy remaining.
Uy, sayang na kayo ko.
Wala na siyang time.
Pinatay pa nga.
Patay na.
Sage, remember that you can't save everyone. We save who we can. That's enough.
Okay, lads. Sabi mo eh.
Magpapantong na.
Dito ako magwawal pag B tayo, no?
Yep,
Yeah.
dyan ate.
Reloading.
Yan na, dumigay na ako. Second round ng Sugar Rush.
There.
Ay,
Dropping smokes. Enemy
beacon
spotted.
down. Sit still.
aray ka!
Spike down B.
Nag-slow down ako dun.
Reloading.
Hindi ko
Can you heal,
nagawa.
Sage?
I got the spike.
Hindi yata nakuha yung spike. Nakuha ba? Ay, nakuha na ni Dodong.
Thank you.
I'll spike it down.
Ay, may tawag. Left.
Ay, puta!
Ba't hindi pumasok yung duwin?
Ano
Okay, so.
na
I have the spike.
Ay, kay Kuya King.
Last player standing.
Wait lang. Na, sayang.
May bad. Kala ko sa akin yung sound na yun.
My city needs me. I can't be away from
Gusto niyo try let's see?
Tara, 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 tara.
Yeah. Alam ko
Ay,
na ako sa
nag-A yung Reyna.
Oh, sige.
Ano ba?
Saan tayo pa eh?
Sige, bitaw. Tama ka na sa amin.
Smokean mo nga dun, Bel, sa may boathouse.
Ay, ikaw muna magsusmakate o ako? Ikaw na lang muna.
Ako yung
Ay,
clone.
Ay, sorry. Ay, smokean
Uy!
Ay,
Wala pa akong pang ano.
Stim beacon here.
Okay lang.
Nandito sa ano? Pwede na tayong umikot, siguro.
Enemy spotted mid. Enemy spotted mid.
Tawag mo rito. Kung gusto nating mag-B, dapat pa-mid tayo.
wait lang ah.
Last player
Ay, sabi
standing.
na.
Spike
Ay,
down
kalaban natin
mid.
sila.
Flawless.
Kalaban natin sila. Yung Killjoy at saka yung yung Sage.
Okay.
Let's ruin their day.
Si
Okay.
is that DP Spectre? DP Spectre daw ba yun? Yung
Yes.
KJ and Sage.
Dodong da.
Alright, muckers. Off we go.
Revealing area.
Nice.
Dropping smokes.
Ay, gosh, namatay siya.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Ang hirap
Ay, heal ka,
pasukan
ma'am.
yan.
For you.
Careful mid.
Pwede kayo mag-back ha? Pwede tayo mag-A.
Tara, ikot na lang tayo.
Ikot na kayo.
Wait lang, Bel. 30 seconds. 30 seconds heal. Just give me a moment.
Enemy spotted. Net. You're here.
Saan ba tayo? Medyo iwaiwalay masyado.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon here.
Pawala lang din tayo.
Sige, sige, sige.
Barrier created.
Uy,
Spike planted.
nandiyan yung clone.
Go back, go back, go back.
Reload.
Play time, play time.
Nandiyan, ma'am, sa may pinto. Nandiyan pa yung clone. Ayun, patay na.
One enemy remaining.
I'm so
Nice.
sorry
Could be Evan.
about our
Reload.
Done here. Too much sugar. You are so bad for this.
Nagsorry yung tatay natin.
Horrible item. Paubos na sugar ko kayo naman.
Oo, seryoso
Anong kami
na
naman
naglaro si Bel eh.
Seryoso na to.
Ay, hindi ako seryoso kayo naman.
Seryoso. Hindi pa seryoso.
Ay, hindi ko alam ano ba. Seryoso ba tayo kanina?
I'm with you, Sova.
Scanning ahead.
Gecko gamit ni Bel kanina, di ba?
Gecko.
Smoke's down. Stim
Grabe,
beacon down.
dire-diretso
So,
si Iron.
I'll pretend I did not see that recon pod.
You should run.
Ay,
Spike down A.
Like I never left.
I think that was a bad smoke.
I have the spike.
Uy,
lang. What the...
kukunin ko dapat yung naka-off eh.
Last player
Oh, shit.
standing.
Tangina.
Ano nahuli?
Kapatid ako nahuli.
Dalawa
Galing na.
ata.
Tatlo kasama.
Stand tall.
Galing
We
nga
are
nung
Valorant. We are
Galing
fighting.
Marunong bumaril si yung Narpit Heria. Carry naman niya. Kahit ang daldal ko kanina.
Saan ba tayo?
I'm gonna going split.
Okay, magkano daw siya? Magra-roam. Mag-slow ano na lang tayo, slow push.
Walk lang.
I will hold up the sky.
Then I will walk.
Scanning ahead.
Aga magano. Pwede naman
Dropping smokes.
Ay. Hindi muna ako maglalagay dyan.
Oh, wag.
Baka doon tayo sa Reyna.
Enemy spotted me.
Asan siya?
Kasama ko yung Reyna.
Deploying drone.
Go back, go back.
Go ano daw?
Can you smoke middle? My mark.
Launching smoke.
Enemy spotted me.
Hindi ko alam kung dapat ko bang i-smoke yung market.
Launching smoke. Stim beacon down.
Can you throw your Q?
Plant.
Close with you.
Wait lang ate. Pa-check ng boat house. Boat house.
Wala.
Ah, wala.
Wall
Ba't
raised.
nag-smoke yung globe dun sa sulok?
Spike planted.
Akin ba yun? Akin niya yun.
Sumit.
Hindi, nakatikay lang yan, ma'am.
You got Molly and old Brim.
Caution here. Molly. Down you go.
Last player
Ay,
standing.
lang.
Guns out. Ayun na.
Stand down.
Back.
Ano pa nandiyan sa right side?
My turn.
Putang ina dami.
May bad.
Defuse.
Level
Ganda
heads
nung
until
ano,
we're home,
ganda
yes?
nung...
Good.
Ang tawag dito? Yung barrel na yun, yung bread. Or kung ano man yun.
Glitch pop yan. Glitch pop.
And glitch pop.
Glitch pop. Kaya gusto ko din yan eh.
Isipan ko tuloy ko, ipupull ko yun. Ay,
I
pupull
have
tuloy.
ult. I have ult.
Okay.
Deep breath.
Sa 16.
Ano to?
Revealing area.
Pinaka, ano? Pinaka-fabulous.
Oh!
Smokes down. Stim beacon here.
Nice.
their vision.
No. It's cannot falling like that.
Reloading.
Shot done.
Taas sila na.
Last player
Ay,
standing.
Tignan mo.
Throw the OP.
Open up the sky.
No, take the OP.
Molly.
Take it.
Toasted.
Yung off daw, kunin mo. Asan ba yung off? Ayun.
Nice one, Alenax.
Clutch.
That's
Nice.
why they put me in charge.
Brimstone, you are a true leader.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
What happened to you, Brimstone?
Don't laugh at me. What do you mean what happened to me? Don't laugh at me like that.
That's
I appreciate it.
That's just sugar.
Okay.
Someone get this?
She's scary, lol.
Get out of my way.
I love that so much, Shoba.
Si Jomar di makatutok eh. Oh.
Hindi ko alam kung paano papasok kasi. Nasa game pa naman ako. Hindi ko lang alam ka.
Oh no! Turning next guy!
I have the
Wall
spike.
raised. Your duty is not over.
Ay,
Enemy
natawa
spotted
ako.
mid. Out of charge.
Oh no! 1 to 44.
Spike down B.
Kaya?
Enti.
Ano tong international 16? Ah.
We should do.
Yan ba yung mga nakapas?
Oo.
We should win.
Okay.
Paribiation, bet 2, all gamers, Tundra. Asan yung PRX? Ayan ba yan, Dota? Ah, Dota pala yan, sorry. Kala ko balo.
Embarrassing.
Naman ang sweet 16 na yarn.
Scanning ahead.
Dropping smokes.
Reloading.
Feeling sight.
Okay, pasok.
Ay, gali.
Ano, sarado nung,
Mali ako ng ano.
Ay, shit. 26 lang message.
Sorry, wait lang.
Hindi, okay lang.
Reloading.
Sinisira yung wall.
Deploying drone.
May isa dyan. Dogs.
Oo. Nantay ko lang mawala yung smoke eh. Lalabas din yan. Uy, gagi.
Taken down.
There they are.
Ako tumama.
One enemy remaining.
Nice one.
We got
Ulit
5.
kay Bandal.
Bingo.
Ayun. Ayan o. Glitch pop.
Pay attention. Might learn something.
Saan
Hindi ako
yung
tumama,
gusto?
guys. Patay ko sana si ate mo.
Kuya, I can drop. Or kung ikaw ate, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa. May 4K ako.
Okay.
4K.
Can
Phantom
someone get
na lang
this?
muna.
Thank you.
Sige. Ay, may pera si ano. Ay, mag-drop ni Reyna. Okay.
Watch and learn.
Request daw.
Grab a drop.
Thank you for dropping for my friend.
Drop in a smoke.
Di ako makagalaw.
No peeking.
Balik.
Ay! Ano na sila dalawa? Right side.
Spike down B.
Mabubuhay si ano.
Enemy spotted.
One dead.
Nice one. May naka-off sa site.
One enemy
Nice one.
remaining.
Nice one.
Get out.
Ganda rin na ito, no?
Ganda. Sarap sa tenga.
Deep breaths, everyone. Your hearts are pounding.
Grabe, binubuhat niya rin yung ano eh, kabila eh. Grabe itong ano.
Bell, I can drop.
Ay, sige. Thanks. Yeah.
Kanino kaya itong glitch pop? Ganda.
Hindi kaya kay ano yan?
For you,
Kay Killjoy.
Ano lang siya, distracting lang. Pero maganda siya.
Revealing area.
Dropping smokes.
Smoke's down. Stim beacon down.
Uy, gago.
Back like I never left. I've got your trail. Enemy
Ayun lang.
spotted A.
Launching smoke.
May nasa taas ate.
Lumabas kayo dyan. Lumabas na kayo.
Ay!
Nakalabas ako.
Hindi ko nasira yung lockdown.
You can heal.
For you. You will not kill my allies.
Binuhay pa nga siya.
Wait lang ate.
Scanning ahead.
Ano yung Killjoy?
Inside the smoke.
Reloading.
30 bullets na lang ako.
Ay, di pa pala na-plant yan.
Hindi. Sabi mo, atras ako
30 seconds left.
21 bullets na lang ako. Kailangan ko ng baril.
May baril dito.
Enemy
Ayun.
spotted. Mid.
Careful.
Our spike is down.
Ayun
I
lang.
have the spike.
Spike down mid. Last
Ay,
player
shit.
standing.
Namatay kasi yung ano.
Last
shotgun
round
si
before the switch.
KJ.
Naka-shotgun.
Spend it all before it's gone.
Hindi naman siya Diyos pero naka-judge siya.
Try ulit natin sa ano? Try ulit natin sa A. You can try A again but don't overrush. I hope you understand.
Come on then.
21 kills. Okay din tutok ng ano na yun ah. Yan.
Revealing area.
Kaya nga.
Enemy spotted A.
Tinamaan ako.
Okay, pwede tayo umatras. Nandito nag-set yung Killjoy. Killjoy set on A. We can probably be. Be careful there, Reyna. Ingat dun sa ano? Sa sky. Ah, meron malapit.
Take flight. Launching smoke. Stim beacon down.
Tumakbo dyan sa ano? Site?
Goner.
Sa site, Bell.
Scanning ahead.
Kailangan ko naman pwede. Ayun, never mind. Napatay ko din.
One enemy remaining.
Last round na to, no?
Oo.
Okay. Prepare na lang ako ng ano, ng ult.
Well, isa na lang naman yan.
Nasara ko yung ano mid.
Eh, pinasok mo Reyna.
Bell, silip ka, Bell.
Healing you. Drop in a smoke.
Andun. Wala na yan. Hindi nakapalagyan.
Wall ba nga doon?
Oh, gago.
Diba?
Napatay pa siya.
Switching sides.
Wall bang nga pala yun, ano?
Yes,
Once more into battle. I'm not
as
tired.
long as ano Phantom Vandal or
Saan
Odin or Ares. Pwede kang mag-A ate. Ay, wala pala tayong anti-flank. Pwede kang mag-mid din. Wala sa mid.
Heal na lang ako.
Stretch.
Sasara mo to, Dodong Darong.
Sasara ko to. Para may magawa naman si Dotok.
Wall raised.
Yun lang, nag-rush na sa B.
Ay, shit, 26 clove.
Sunod yung ano.
Spike planted. Last player
Ay,
standing.
oh my god! Yun lang.
Look your enemy in the eye. It helps
Kung
with
ata pwedeng
accuracy.
i-slow ko ng ganun yung entrance.
Paano mo
Iyan
ba
mo ko yan.
inismatan, pre?
Yung D-mate, ipasok mo yung circle dito.
Nagkamali ako.
Ay, wala akong kasama kagad sa...
Sige, lalagyan ko lang ng wall to, tapos pupunta ka dyan.
Barrier created.
Dito nag-aso. Dito nag
Yung robot ng ano.
Ay! Oh my god!
Gago, ang dami nila din.
Here, catch.
Tirain mo yung ano, kuya? Yung...
Last player standing.
Shot done.
Ay, never mind.
Sana okay ka lang.
Spike planted.
Oh, Gago, tinalanan siya.
Tinalunan na lang siya.
Find the weakest link and kick him in the shin.
Someone come with me on A. One on mid. Tayo na itong soba eh. There's too much on B, guys. Come on, please. Listen to me. Dito ulit, my dudes.
Wall raised.
Beacon here.
So, matras na. They pull back. Careful.
B, 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 B. Run, 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 run.
Right here.
Oh, they what? Killjoy on the mid.
Wow!
Shotgun.
Nandito na sa ano ate? Kay
B, 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 B.
Soba? Ay, ano kuya? Soba?
Last player standing.
81 kg.
Spike planted.
Hard strike
Smoke,
na
pre.
siguro yan.
Right side.
Oh, hard strike na.
You get smoke.
Nag-reload ka kagad. Ito pa.
Silang dalawa pang ayaw na iwan.
One enemy remaining.
Sayang. Okay lang, pre. Napatay. Wala rin siyang baril.
No more doubts. We're ready.
Masyadong uma-advance yung Reyna. Magbibid ka na lang kaya dyan.
Ha?
Smoke ako dito.
Magwawala ka ng may gap dito.
Sige. Pagka nawawalan yung A, nagmo-move sila to ano eh. Move sila to mid pa B.
Tinakpan ata yun ng director.
Barrier created.
Nasa mid sila.
Sa mid nga. Ito na, rushing sila.
Volley. Enemy down.
Tang ina, 40 lang yun.
Spike down A.
Refreshing.
May isa pa. May nasa pa.
One enemy remaining.
Blind yan, blinded.
Up one of these. Prepare yourselves. We fight once again.
Buti nga hindi granate.
Well, sa bagay.
Diba? Mabait tao yan.
Ingat dun sa A ata.
Oo.
I don't quit.
Wall raised.
Found them.
Dami.
You should run.
Open up the sky. Enemy spotted B.
Matras sila.
Enemy spotted B.
Nandito sa akin man.
My ult is ready.
Spike down mid.
Like I never left.
Mid. Pabi na.
Ay, iniwan.
One enemy remaining.
Gagi ka.
Narinig ko nasan yung jet.
Andito siya kanina eh. So baka dito siya lumabas. Baka dito siya lumabas sa mid top. So, yeah.
30 seconds left.
Careful, I guess.
Smoke's down.
Ay, andyan, Bel.
Ten seconds left. Last player standing.
120.
Revealing area.
Hindi, walang time.
May time siya, may time siya.
Spike planted.
Oy, may point.
Nice, ha? Low na rin yun.
You failed. Now flee.
You failed now.
They're just batteries. And I need a recharge.
It's fine.
Dito ulit ako sa B. Saan kaya sila ngayon? What do you think? B or A?
Since na-commit na yung ulti ni Killjoy,
Most likely A?
most likely mag-i-A yan. Na-commit siya kanina kasi.
Wall raised.
Dito. Footsteps.
Careful sa mid ah. Ay, pati sa natin.
I've got your trail.
Reloading.
Ay, shit. Pumasok ko sila.
Have one of these.
Ay, putang ina mo! Oh shit, nasa mid.
Fabulous. My ult ready.
Meron dyan kaya. Nice one. Generator?
Last player
Baka mid.
standing.
Scanning ahead. There they are. My ult is ready.
Atenti.
Sorry daw.
Ay, hindi ko nabasa yung sinabi niya.
Asan?
Sorry
Ah,
daw
oh.
sabi nung Sage, nung Biff.
Nung Sage. Nakita niya ako, nag-mid kasi siya. Pero hindi ko nabasa yung message niya.
Oo, hindi ko rin nabasa.
So, ismokean ko yung mid or tingin ko.
Nandito ulit.
Barrier created.
Okay, na-dink ko sa ulo yung ano, yung Killjoy. Killjoy low, mid.
Launching smoke. Dim beacon here. Multiple enemies A.
Nag-lurk yung kill.
Mhm.
O, diba?
103 kg, 60 jet, 55 drone.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Ay!
So, always saving. Tangena. Masyado ka matagal na ano kuya.
Sabi.
Enemies close. Eyes up.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako pwesta. Tangena. Dito na lang ako sa ano. Sa B.
That is you don't.
I have your back.
I'll just.
Gago, mali.
Drop in a smoke. Drop in a smoke. Here, catch.
Launching smoke.
Oh. Namatay.
Barrier created.
Shock done.
Pupulit na ako guys ha. Hindi nakatingin na rin talaga doon.
You had your fun. My turn.
Nasa mid, nasa mid.
Pagod ako ah.
Nagkikick in yung pa.
You will not kill my allies.
Uy, nirevive pa nga. Diyan sa'yo, ma'am.
Ay puta, 26 lang yun. Ay, may right click nga pala yun, no? Makabaki lang ako eh.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
Anong gagawin ko dito?
Patay mo lang yan, Jet.
Spike planted.
Sa likod mo.
Hindi, pupunta ng AA ko. Pwede rin naman hanapin ka niya. Trip-trip lang, gano'n.
Mag-ano ka, fake smoke ka, Joms.
Kung alam kung paano ko ilalagay, nasa mid lang ako.
Oh, hindi, I mean, wag kay Ben.
Parang nabigay mo ata yung kayo.
Ayun, sa likod mo meron.
Mataas na naman siya.
Match point.
Ang alin.
The symphony of
Camera.
death.
Ay, nagagalaw.
You get
Nagagalaw,
Hindi
ano,
yan eh.
kapag ano, after ng, ay, match point na pala.
Yes. Maano siya, may mga rounds siya na hindi niya ginagawa yan eh, yung umaangat eh. May mga times din na ginagawa niya.
What do you mean umaangat?
Ay, yung ano, yung camera, nag-shift patas pagka namamatay.
Get out of my way.
Scanning ahead.
Oh my god.
Ayun.
Deploying drone.
Nag-rotate.
Refreshing.
You should
Nice
run.
one.
Something.
Riot ka.
One enemy remaining. Spike
Nice.
planted.
Ako na para may ult.
Ay, no, glitch pop bell, oh. Sa katawan ng
My ult
KJ.
is ready. No reason for you, man.
Tapos ayun, Kurunami, oh. Oh.
I'll teach them to respect their elders.
Kaya talaga mag-adjust na itong ano. May imbiyer na ako sa kanya.
Need a drop.
As one.
Tignan lang. Wala ako sa kanya.
Barrier created.
Revealing area.
Dito? Or kinuha lang yung ano? Not sure. Sinisira na yung ano.
Shock done.
Masyadong malalim yung ano.
Enemy spotted. One of
Ay,
these.
pumasok.
Jets grounded.
Reloading.
Back
Right here.
like I never left.
Reloading.
Enemy spotted me.
Nasa liga.
One enemy remaining.
Sulok daw.
Ay, ba't di
Just
ko
shocked
agad
at
nabaril?
100.
One downside to being immortal. I can't play dead.
Buti na nga lang nagkaroon pa akong second life eh. Napatay yung yung
Bell, pabili ako, Bell.
Can someone get this?
Bye.
Spectre lang, Spectre.
I've got cash. Anyone need something?
No charges left.
Uy!
Two or three more rounds.
Barrier
Tayo.
Found them.
Daw. Sa A?
Mid.
Mid.
Dito muna ako.
Spike down A.
Nandun sa Reyna.
I've got your trail.
Nice one.
No?
No info.
Taas.
One enemy remaining.
Nandito eh.
Sige lang, ingat sa taas.
Wala na. Ay, ayun.
Nice.
Don't be spending too many brain cells figuring them out. Overthinking is just as bad as underthinking.
Need a drop.
Ay, wala na pala akong pantrap.
Kata meron. Oh, meron naman siyang pera. Sakaling ko siya.
This is so satisfying. Come back pa more.
Wall raised.
Scanning ahead.
Careful ah. Baka mag-mid yan.
Mag-mid yan.
Ayun yun. Ay! Putang ina mo, ang dami doon! Gago! 80 Jet, 34 KJ. Kaya mo ko ma-revive sa mid ate.
Uy, gagi ka.
One enemy remaining.
No. No info?
Go siguro. Go rest.
Your duty is
Ay, nagkamali ba ako?
That was weird.
Si Dodong Darong pwede na yan. Nasa atin ba yung spike?
Wala.
Careful. Medyo mahina maglaro yun. Si Beepseer Lord.
Oo.
Carry yan.
Unless gusto niyang i-save yung round para
30 seconds left.
Most likely. Yung info eh. Mid daw. Ay, oo nga. Nag-AFK si ano? Ang taas ang ping niya, 200.
Sudden death.
Listen up, you muckers. If I don't get back
Kaya
up, just give me a nudge. I might not be dead, just taking a wee kip.
Did I miss it?
Ang alin.
Nandun na siya kanina eh, si Reyna. Umaaligid siya, pero hindi daw niya nakita sa gilid si ano.
Need help.
Ay, gago. Sorry. Ako na magsusmoke sa A ah.
Mid bottom tsaka B main lang.
barrier
They're
created.
healing area.
Caution here.
Naku,
Gago, ando na ba sila?
hindi pa. Nagano lang. Namulot lang nung
Uy, ayun.
Sorry, dapat
Imposter
pala
kill.
na-check ko yan.
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Kasi akin dapat yun.
Ay, shit!
Uy,
Tita. Baka
Medyo
umikot?
malinaw yan, ha? Naku, naiwan pa sa akin yung sofa.
wala na dyan.
KJ, baka nag-B. B,
Ah,
B,
mag-B na yun.
B. Sinara yung ano.
Spike planted.
Stim beacon down.
One enemy
Uy,
remaining.
nice.
Scanning ahead. There they are. Concentrate, Sofa.
Nice
Nice
one.
one.
It is over.
Defenders win.
Okay, what is done?
Huh. Eto
Ano,
na.
Bel? Last na to?
Last, pwede naman ako last one na. Tapos magka-crush na ako.
Oo, tara, sagarin natin.
Ayun, porta nun eh. Oh, ayan. Hindi, seryoso. Like, 4:30 na eh.
Hindi, okay lang naman. Nakaano kasi kami na ito ni Bel, high kami ng sugar.
Ikaw mag-start natin.
Pag ako kasi ganyan, nakikinig na ako sa katawang.
Wala pa
kaya
eh,
ba?
ano pa kami?
Konting-konting sagad na lang talaga. Babagsak na tong katawan ko. Hindi ko na nga pinagtitripan si Reyna eh, kasi hindi na siya namamansin.
Match found.
Oh my god, sunset.
I've got all the time in the world.
Joy.
CCR lang ako. Ihi lang ako. Wait lang.